Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dealt with a toilet that's bubbling like a pot of boiling water, you're not alone. It's a common plumbing issue that can be frustrating and messy. In this video, we'll walk you through how to fix it step by step, so you can get your bathroom back to normal without calling a pro right away. I'm your host, and let's dive in. First things first, why is your toilet bubbling? It usually happens due to a blockage in the pipes, problems with the vent stack that allows air to escape, or even issues in the sewer line. These blockages can trap air, causing that gurgling sound and potentially leading to overflows if ignored. Don't panic. Most cases are fixable with basic tools you probably have at home. Before we get started, remember safety first. Put on some rubber gloves, turn off the water supply to the toilet, and make sure the area is well ventilated to avoid any fumes. Okay, let's tackle this. Step 1. Grab a plunger and give it a good try. Make sure it's the right type for your toilet. Flange plungers work best. Plunge firmly for about 30 seconds to dislodge any clogs in the bowl. If that doesn't work, move to step 2. Inspect the trap under the toilet. You might need a plumbing snake or auger to reach deeper blockages. Insert it carefully and rotate to break up the obstruction. Step 3. Check the vent pipe on your roof. Debris like leaves or birds' nests can block it, preventing proper airflow. If you're comfortable, clear it out, but if not, it's okay to skip this and call help. If these steps don't solve the problem, it might be a bigger issue like a sewer line blockage, so contact a licensed plumber. Regular maintenance, like not flushing wipes or excessive toilet paper, can prevent this in the future. There you have it. Your toilet should be bubbling free. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips. See you next time.